Um, I would like to start this video by just literally just saying this is very emotional for me, and I'm sure a lot of Manchester United fans that are actually fans of like literally Marcus. Because for me, I don't wanna lie, Marcus is one of my favorite Manchester United players. I love the development, like him, especially coming from the development team, making it to the A team. It's something good to see from a player like him. It's always amazing. So I've just been seeing these Marcus Rashford for sale and stuff, and I won't lie. On Marcus' side, I feel like it's sad, but I don't know him personally because I feel like personally it's going to be he would love to leave or he would love to stay. That's the mixed emotions that I have. But from me, perspectively, as a player for him, I feel like he should stay. But again, I feel like right now it's a point whereby he should prove himself to the new coach. Like, you know what? I wanna be here. I wanna stay with the team. I wanna prove myself. Cause I wanna lie, bro. The Marcus Rashford that came from the development team, coming to the A team, was that Marcus Rashford that used to pace. He still got the pace, cool. He used to do drills. Used to dribble through players. But right now, I don't want to lie, I'm a big fan of Marcus Rashford, but most of the time, even his one-on-ones, he doesn't complete them. He's always just running through players, complains a lot. It depends on his mood if he wants to play or what. And playing for a team like Manchester United, I feel like your emotions should be put aside, bro. Because this is a big club, remember that. And I feel like under Ruben, we kind of getting there a little bit. We're still there. Actually, he's probably like 4 or 5 games in. Still needs some time. But for Marcus, I feel like he should improve, bro. I don't want to lie, bro. I missed that Marcus Rashford. Okay, these past games I've been seeing this Marcus Rashford. But he's that player now. You're just praying like, oh my God, I wish he performs. Oh my God, I wish he performs. And Marcus wasn't that player. Marcus was that player when you put in the field, you're just saying, let's go, Marcus. And he puts on that performance and he performs, bro. For me personally, I wouldn't like to see him leave because I think maybe teams that would take him would be like a PSG. I had some rumors about Barcelona, which are slightly, and Marcus Rashford has just completed a contract with Man United. His salary is high, and we are trying to rebuild and stuff. So having a player like that, it's also not good for the team, especially with his kind of performance lately. He's a good player, but right now he's not that Marcus Rashford we need. And for Ruben, again, Ruben has a style of play, and I feel like Ruben is at that point of like, if you don't want to participate or if you're not with the clique, then get out. And Marcus Rashford, I won't lie, he's one of those players that has been like emotionally not there, physically not there, performance-wise not there. When last time did Marcus Rashford score? Before these previous games, he used to have good stats, bro. Like, I don't know which year it is. He used to be like number 2 on the Golden Boys, But when last time was Marcus Rashford part of that, or part of the Ballon d'Or kind of ceremony awards, So that shows you that he has kind of dropped. So I feel like right now, if Marcus doesn't want to be sold, he should improve himself first and prove to the team that I want to be here, I want to stay. For Ruben, I wouldn't blame Ruben for selling him because right now I prefer, we all know Ruben wants to keep small players and stuff, So I don't want to lie, man. I wouldn't like seeing him leave, but for the team, it will be a good cause because he's no longer performing that good, So it would be sad for me personally to see him leave, but for the team, I feel like it would be a good thing, bro. Unless he proves himself.